kitty is lost. I just found it out. A lot of people are telling me this, but I'm coming up here. So, black and white kitty. It's really cool. I don't know where it is gonna be, but we found the picture on the computer. So, we're going to look at it. No, 14% remaining on my phone, so I better.
Guys,
So,
really
it's lost.
miss her, and Tommy is recording too. We don't
Lost
know what
kitty.
to do.
So,
We miss her.
we're asking you.
We're asking you to give us subscribe to us. We really miss her. So if you find her, please say something in the comments. So please, guys, help us.
So, I'm letting
gonna
Taylor
keep
say
on-
some of the stuff.
We're going to keep on recording now, and then see this kitten right here. That's what our cat looks like.
And that purple spot in its ear, we know from anywhere, so it's our kitty.
It looks really like my kid, like our kitten.
It's my kitten, though.
Both of ours.
It's mine.
Both of ours, Tommy.
It's mine.
Time to argue.
It's mine.
But she is missing. Tommy, don't put yours in.
Mine doesn't look exactly.
And we really miss her. We just
So
want